He thinks I should prepare dinner on the days that I work from home as his wife. I disagree because I'm often in meetings past 5 o'clock on those days. What suggestions do you have for us? Oh boy.
This, question reminds me of the gender role theory, the idea that men and women have specific roles to fill. I think that Evelyn and her spouse, they need to engage in effective communication and really discuss what are their needs and desires, as well as maybe develop a schedule. Maybe he'll take on the additional 2 days and the weekends. Who knows? Here are some suggestions, though. They are in luck. There is the food app like Grubhub, so they can use that. There's grocery delivery and pickup. They can use that as an alternative. They can also use an old-fashioned utensil that I call slow cooker. It saves on time and you don't have to finagle with it. Finally, they can consider eating out so that she can get respite from the time working at home. She may have a lot to do at home. She's not necessarily sitting around. It sounds like she's busy, and this is a part that they can discuss. They can make it work. There are alternatives that can both feel fulfilled and satisfied.
Here's the real deal. Evelyn, if he gets hungry enough, he'll find his own food, right? I'll say what you won't. If you have a question that you'd like for us to consider next week, send in your question. You can do it right now by email, just like they did. Therapy Thursday at griffin.news. We're back in a minute.